We call on all Nigerians to be vigilant at this critical time, because what we are witnessing is not called for justice, but a strategic attempt to sow division among Nigerians along religious lines. For decades, Christians and Muslims have lived side by side in peace, intermarried, trade together, and shared communities. Our unity is our strength. Allowing foreign interest to divide us would be the greatest tragedy of all. We must not allow Nigerians to become another example of misplaced foreign intervention. If the United States truly wishes to help Nigeria, it should do so through partnership, intelligence sharing, and support for development, not through threats of invasion that would only worsen our problems. To my fellow Nigerians, this is not the time for division or blame. This is time to stand together as one people and reject all external interferences. The problem we face, such as terrorism, banditry, insecurity, etc., are ours to solve, not for foreign armies to exploit. Let us strengthen our security agencies, hold our leaders accountable, and work together to rebuild trust and peace across all communities. In conclusion, we at the 1917 Northern Consensus Movement, we urge President Donald Trump and the American government to approach issues concerning Nigeria with fairness, respect, and objectivity. Let us continue to work together as Nigerians, as brothers and sisters, united in faith and purpose to defeat the forces of division and destruction. Nigeria shall remain one nation under God. No foreign power shall divide us. Please go ahead. Thank you, Boss. American Parliament, British Parliament, still addressed to former President Muhammad Buhari. You see it. German Parliament, France. This is it. And to all agencies, see them in different booklets, from NSAS killing to IPOB killing to Shasha Akinyele killings. No, look, all this, they are all documents. Dead bodies of northerners. You see them? You see them? Okay. We documented them. We produced them in booklets. But I don't want to use the word Muslim because the Northern Consensus Movement is that this is what is happening. The needful needed to be done before it is too late. So I think this is we've communicated via these other letters to the 19 northern state governors. We've communicated.
But he is saying that, which is good for us, because people, as Nigerians, we must agree that he said that